pecorino romano and clams with linguine. Controversial, but gorgeous. Just like you! Ingredients. If there's one dish my family, specifically my kids, go crazy over, is a gorgeous linguine or spaghetto alle vongole. So we've got the clams, we've got the pasta di Martino. Now, why do I choose, and this is a very important tip, why am I choosing linguine over spaghetti? As my Neapolitan friend and world-renowned pasta manufacturer Giuseppe Di Martino from the homonymous Pastificio Di Martino says, the linguine as a pasta shape is made for creaminess. Why? The side of the linguine pasta, it's a little thinner, which means when you are emulsifying it right at the end, it'll melt a little bit. And the starch from the side of the linguine will melt and help even more, creating that starchy thickening effect in the sauce that you are making. So imagine we're making the vongole. Who doesn't love the vongole juice? The vongole juice, for example, if you don't wanna do pasta one day, you could do extra vongole juice with the help of white wine, a little extra splash of water, and eat it by itself, you know, almost as a clam soup. You know, in different countries, in different cultures, you have like clam chowder type. But we are making it Southern Italian style, Neapolitan, with a little twist of something that I've seen in a little trattoria in Rome. We're adding shaves of pecorino romano at the end to garnish the dish with the lemon zest, of course, and a sprinkle of parsley. We're going to make it a little bit extra, just like you. A lot of people I see throw away the stems of the parsley, but this too has an incredible earthy parsleyiness, which we're going to use in our little base for the clams. The best way for me to clean clams, very simple. You go to the fishermonger, you take the clams, you leave them in the fridge until a few hours before you're ready to cook. Then you put them in water, sprinkle a little, like actually I would say a handful of sea salt. You mix them and you let them breathe out any sands and wash them over an hour or two, 3 or 4 times. Clean them up one more time of any residues and they're ready to go in the pan. On a medium flame, as soon as they go in, you put dry white wine and you let them cook until they open, a couple of minutes. Very important, keep an eye and don't overcook the clams. As soon as they open, they need to get out the pan. Especially the little clams, which don't take a long time to cook. So as soon as they open, and they're all opening, you can also give them a little shake because that helps them pop open. You have to know that even clams can be overcooked. You do not want to overcook this gorgeous little element. You want to get them out of the pan as soon as they open. They're pretty much all open. Very important, you see these juices? Switch off the flame, you want them all. Once the pasta, the linguine, is partly cooked, it finishes cooking in here. So switch off the flame right now, get rid of the garlic, and we reserve these juices for the pasta. Mamma mia. Guys, imagine partly cooking the linguine who are releasing its starches in the juices. Mind blowing. Salt. Now partly cooking the linguine. Halfway through, whatever the cooking time is, you have that. And then you finish it inside the juices of the clam. While we wait, we take some of the clams and we get the meat and we toss it back in the juices, just a few, for little mini surprises. Very important, do not toss away the tears of the pasta gods, aka the starchy pasta water that has got the starches released already in it. We're going to be possibly using some of this water to finish the linguine cooking in the clam juices. A little pasta water, tears of the pasta gods, I'm sorry, I apologize. You see how this paella pan is so family friendly? It even looks so gorgeous, just like you. The way pasta cooks is it hydrates with whatever watery, juicy content it has around it. So you see how we are basically letting it, forcing this gorgeous pasta to not only release its final stages of starches, but to hydrate with the juices. They basically virtually cook with the flavors embedded within of the clam juice. And this is the secret to the best pastas of all. Finish the last few minutes of the pasta cooking in the sauce with a little tears of the pasta gods. Switch off and ready to serve. Perfetto. Guarda che bella. You see, you've got clams everywhere, and now the topping ones. Drizzle of extra virgin raw. We have a little bit of parsley here, just to top it off. Parsley is gorgeous. And now, what we're doing the unthinkable, shaving some pecorino romano fresh on top. Pecorino romano on the clams. Am I going to get exiled? I don't know, I saw it in a Roman trattoria. The final touch, the lemon zest. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Picture this. Summer's coming. You're spending time with your family. You're doing an outdoor lunch or even a dinner. Invite over some friends and you come at them with this. Vongole, pecorino, lemon zest linguine. Psst, are you kidding me now? You gotta try it. Your life will never be the same again.